supplies! In this video, it's just going to be a quick one. It's officially been 3 days since we put the eggs in the incubator as of 8 p.m. tonight, so I'll be candling them, recording that, and that'll be the video for tomorrow. But for today, we're just going to open up some of the more supplies that we got, and just like last time, I will link as many of the products as I can in the description below. They are affiliate links. I do get a small commission if you purchase through the link, but it doesn't cost you any extra, and I'm just putting in the supplies that I've purchased in this video. Let's see if I can make sure not to put my address in the film. Flip the package around the other way so nobody can see it. And the steady stab. Okay. I need to sharpen this knife, like, really badly. What the? Okay. These are the simple galvanized steel hook and eye closures that I got. I'm going to be using them on both the chicken run gate and on the garden gate, and several other projects that I've got. Like, there are like, a ton of them in here. No. There's going to be a lot of jump cuts in this video. The cats keep messing with the tripod, so sorry. Alrighty, what's next? We got this one. And again, we go steady stabs. Steady stabs. I'm trying not to dox myself. That would be great. Oh, in case anybody's wondering about all of the stuff on my hands here, my husband and I were cleaning out the spare room and some of the cupboards just to make more space for supplies and reordering things. And there was a spray paint can full of black paint that had apparently sprung a leak. So I couldn't get it all off. Okay, what is this? It's a box inside of another box inside of another. No. And again, we go a steady stab. Oh, I know what these are. Yes! These are my seed potatoes. I'm so happy. Look at them. Look at them. Little baby potatoes. Baby potatoes. So when I plant the little seed potatoes, I will make sure to make a video and go over all of the information about planting seed potatoes. I'm going to be using one of the plastic cat litter containers as my potato plant pot because it's still too cold around here for me to be able to put things outside without risking a frost. So everything's going to stay growing inside for a while. Okay, now we have another giant box. Let me see if I can do this without knocking everything over. And we go a stab, a steady stab. This is just like the last time with one of these large boxes. They fold the cardboard over. So, there we go. Okay, that wasn't as bad. Big box opening, take number 2. It doesn't help that I'm really short and small. Okay, hang on. And the stabby. And the stabby stab. What are you? Aha. How am I going to get it out of the box? It's so much bigger than I am. I hope this is entertaining. Like, I really do. Yes! I now have a way to dispose of all the bodies. This is just a basic steel shovel that allows you to really cut into the ground. You can put your weight on these two pieces here, and you're able to kind of drive it deeper. And of course, it's got a really long wooden handle. You would think that I'd already had one of these, but I didn't. I've been borrowing other people's stuff for a while, so I'm glad to have my own stuff. Even if the situation wasn't happening, I needed this stuff anyway. So again, I'll put all the affiliate links down in the description below. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, share, hit bell icons, all of that stuff. And if you find my work useful here or on my website, www.trinitysurvivor.com, please consider donating to my Patreon. It's thanks to people that have donated that allowed me to even get this camera to even begin recording. It allowed me to be able to pay for the actual hosting and domain for the website, and I've been able to help a lot more people ever since I was able to get those two things done. So I want to thank the people that have already donated to my Patreon. You people are absolutely amazing, and I'll put the link for that in the description below, along with all of my other social media contact. So remember that tomorrow's coming the egg candling video for day 3 of the chicken egg hatch and the hatch along. Let's all cross our fingers and really, really hope that there is some action happening inside those shells. And I'll see you guys then. Bye-bye. Hello. You like my shovel? Bangle cam.